Hi guys, Glader here, and today I have a new video about PSOBB2 / VRGuardians. I'm going to be demonstrating some new functionality that's on the VRGuardians platform, but I'm going to show you what it's like in-game first, and then for world creators, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can actually utilize this feature. What this feature is basically it's world portals, world teleporters, the ability to place game objects, network game objects in the world, upload them to the platform, and link two separate server instances together so that you can go back and forth between them. So I'm going to log in here. Normally you would log in the middle, but since I ran this test, my position is actually saved here. In fact, the platform actually saves what world and instance you were in and the location you were at. And when you log back in, you're slapped right there. So the worlds feel a lot less transient than, say, VRChat. They feel very real because, you log out, you log right back into them. All right, so I got this new portal object. We go ahead and click on it. We'll see what happens. Behind the scenes, we're downloading a new world bundle. And now we've loaded it up, and we're actually connected to a completely separate server now. And you can see this is the shop district from PSOBB2. It looks a little big, but it's pretty close to scale. Anyway, so that's basically how it works. And now we're back here. And we're back on the original instance server that we were on. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you how we did that by opening up this scene right here. So there's a couple objects in the SDK that you can place. There's stuff like spawn points. We've got spawn points for players. And we also have spawn points for game objects. So if we click on this one in particular, you can see on the right that we have a game object located right here. This is where the teleporter was. And it's referencing a template called test teleporter that has a type world teleporter. So when the instance server loads all the game objects that are statically allocated to it, it's going to see that there's a teleporter here, which is great because it handles all that logic server side authoritatively. But from the perspective of the end user on the VRGuardians SDK, you just place a game object here, and you pick the template. Currently, there's no editor window to create templates, but there will be. So I have this one already created for World Teleporter, and automatically it's going to attach this World Teleporter data definition, in which you will click on and link it to a player spawn point that's in the current world, and then you're going to target a world. So not a particular instance of a world, but you're actually going to target a world. And then you'll actually select the remote spawn point you want it to point it at. It doesn't point to other world teleporters because you might have only a one-way teleporter. So it references spawn points in the other maps. And then you're just able to save if you've made any changes. And then boom, it's on the platform. It's there. It happens like that. So that's really fun, guys. You can now create, a game object that actually has some functionality with the SDK, and you can actually teleport between worlds, which is pretty cool from a gameplay perspective. Now you can actually create linked worlds, maybe a multi-scene dungeon as you go through. That's pretty cool. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one.